Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Boccia Chronograph watch. This is going to be the titanium version that features the AG7 watch battery and the Mayora movement. So what we want to do is to have a metallic pair of tweezers. You can find this in the basic watchmaker toolkit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the tools that I normally use. And what we want to do is to inspect the back of the watch, and right here on the right side we have a minus. This means that I'm going to use the metallic pair of tweezers in order to insert one tip right here, and the other one is going to go on to the plus of the watch battery. I'm going to hold it like this for around 3 to 5 seconds, and then I'm going to make sure that the watch is ticking. So we want to see that the watch is ticking after the battery reset. In case your watch chronograph, so in case the chronograph isn't perfectly aligned to 12 o'clock, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide on how to do that, and also how to set the time and date on your Boccia Chronograph watch. And also, if you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery from start to finish, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. So I'm going to show you how to open it, how to replace the watch battery, and then also how to put the watch back together. So guys, in case you want to check all the extras, links are going to be in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage or pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.